There's been a massive showdown over comments made by BJP's MP from Mandi in Himachal Pradesh and actor Kangana Ranawat. She had commented on farmers' protests that took place in the country, linking them to the chaos and crisis in Bangladesh. Kangana alleged that a Bangladesh-like situation could have very well erupted in India as well if the country's leadership was not alert and stable. Kangana further said that the protests saw incidents of murders and rapes, and there was a conspiracy by foreign powers to destabilize the country with internal support. She says that similar protest could have erupted in India if the country's leadership was not alert and stable. Aam Aadmi Party is now staging massive protest in Panchkula, lashing out at Kangana for comparing Kisan protest with chaos and protest in Bangladesh. Amandeep gets us a ground report.
We are at the protesting site in Panchkula where the Aam Aadmi Party workers and the leaders, they are protesting, and in fact they are raising the slogans against BJP. They have the play cards and posters in their hands that किसानों का अपमान नहीं सहेगा हिंदुस्तान, and even the Kangana Modi Kisan Virodhi. So this is the kind of slogan Aam Aadmi Party is giving, and in fact Aam Aadmi Party is staging the protest throughout the state in Haryana at the different locations. Different leaders are involved into the protest and they are demanding action against Kangana. Though BJP has already disowned the statement and suggested Kangana not to give any kind of statement without taking the consent of the BJP party as well. But now you can see that after the statement of Kangana Ranawat, the anger has been come out. It has been sparked the political controversy throughout the nation. Kangana, we will try to speak to some of them, some of the protesters, that what they have to say. So you people are protesting against Kangana. What is your demand for that?
We need to have apologies from Kangana Ranawat. That is what we are expecting, because this kind of statements are not required and it is very derogatory.
कंगना रनावत को कुछ पता नहीं है। पहले भी उन्होंने बयान दिया था कि मताए बहनें 500-500 रुपए में बैठी हैं। वो किसानों के बारे में पहले भी बोल चुकी है और किसानों ने उसका विरोध करा था और आम आदमी पार्टी भी उसका विरोध कर दिया है। कंगना रनावत को इसके ऊपर माफी मांगनी चाहिए।
आम आदमी पार्टी की आवाज बीजेपी सरकार को ना सुनने की आदत है और ऐसा लगता है कि वो नहीं सुनेंगी, और हम लोग इसी तरह की नारेबाजी करते रहेंगे, धरना प्रदर्शन करते रहेंगे।
Now remember, what had happened was Kangana Ranawat during an interaction had said that chaos and crisis like what happened in Bangladesh could very well have replicated itself in India if the government at that point in time had not acted sternly. After that, BJP had come out to distance itself from Kangana Ranawat's statement. In a sternly worded statement issued by the Saffron Party, it had said that Kangana Ranawat did not have permission, nor did she have any authority from the party to speak about policy-related matters. The party had asserted that it stands for Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, and had disagreed with the statements made by Kangana Ranawat. However, that has not stopped the opposition from protesting the comments, from saying what she has said needs an apology from her. Amandeep now joins me for more. Amandeep, what is the latest from the ground?
Well, Priya, the point is that Kangana Ranawat's statement has given the opportunity to all the opposition parties. They are attacking on the BJP. They are seeking the apology from Kangana. They are seeking the action from BJP party against Kangana. And Aam Aadmi Party is staging protest now throughout the state of Haryana, which is going to face the election on 1st of October. And in fact, they are trying to take the political mileage out of that. Simultaneously, BJP has completely separated themselves from the statement of Kangana Ranawat regarding statement was given regarding the farmers, and in fact now the entire hue and cry has been created. All opposition parties, including BJP, JDU, even the JDU leader has used a very disrespected language against Kangana while giving the statement against her. And in fact, Congress is also demanding the apology, public apology, as well as the the action against Kangana from the BJP side. So this is all has been happening, and in fact, if we just analyze the situation, if we just connect the dots, so it seems to be like that all opposition parties are trying to target the assembly polls, and Kangana's statement is an opportunity for all opposition parties to take the political mileage out of this and in fact and provoke and fueling the issue of the farmers versus BJP, just because earlier it was a narrative set by the political parties that BJP government is all against the farmers, and in fact a huge protest has been taken place and still protest is underway at Shambhu border also. So now again political parties are trying to take the mileage out of that. They are again trying to set a narrative against the BJP regarding the farmers, and that wanted to encash from the Haryana Assembly poll. So this all is happening so far.